you for watching Lango News channel.
Lao leaders reject method of cattle compensation. Meanwhile, President Museveni asked Lao to select a team of about 20 members to determine a new method of payment. I am Denish Ongora. Now let's look at the detail of what happened at Lao College playground when the president met the leaders of Lango over cattle compensation. At the Lao Regional Leaders Meeting on cattle compensation that was organized by the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, in Lao College on Sunday, the President sought the opinion of Lao leaders on whether to continue with the current method of cattle compensation or another reliable method be devised. Several leaders of Lao criticized the current method, highlighting the challenges associated with it. They say the current method has opened door for cheating of claimants by the lawyers and the responsible leaders. It is so bureaucratic, discriminative, unreliable, and costly in terms of traveling to bank and cost of keeping bank accounts active. This prompted the president to ask for at least about 20 people who will meet him and also other government officials to determine the most appropriate method to be used in this cattle compensation. Utuke East Member of Parliament Julius Ashon offered himself to lead the team and suggested some few names that include Lera City Woman Member of Parliament and the Minister of Health Dr. Jane Ruth Asheng, Kola North Member of Parliament Dr. Samuel Opio Achuri, Amorata District Chairman Geoffrey Ochen Kiring, among others. Discussions are still continuing in Lao on how to go about these new proposals. Thank you very much for watching Lao News channel. May you have a good day.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.